Habaikran halor kajing lujingsa bar kajing pentrekam na kabenta Iakhun persya ikaklam COVID-19 Menteri Ketenaga Koi kakya jong kejela uba elhek ulong ba kejela kambiang kapisa na kabenta kani berkumta kahaban panjarap na ka Sorkar Pdeng ban bei khambun kapisa ulai thuru bula de ban pha da kajing tho Menteri Ketenaga Koi kakya jong Sorkar Pdeng Dr. Harshvardhan Berhak juga korat sang mau ladep ikendoru yo Home Minister ka Sorkar Pdeng Amit Shah baru mencurang badu keriu Narendra Modi halor kani kabenta.
The expenditure is huge, so definitely we don't have that much fund for management of COVID, so we have to knock the door of the center. I also have written the letter to the national leader Harshvardhan ji, the Union Minister for Health. CM also have met, even have met the Amit Shah ji, met the Prime Minister also regarding the funding. So definitely they will respond.
Ulai kejero ay Ketenaga Koi kakya kablatri shitam klam sange banyale persya ya kani kaklam na kabenta kajing baha bar kajing adai ki pajba. Ula banjur da kabakintui ki pajba bakin long ki bapikir bar adakar baha bar bandum kensting ya kani kajing pang.
Comment from the day one only fighting the COVID-19. They will not leave any stone unturned, and they are not saying that they can ensure everything will be normal. But we need the cooperation and the discipline of the people where we can fight together for this COVID-19. But I just request again and appeal to all the people to be disciplined and follow the protocol from time to time, even by the state government.